From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence. We rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF. When the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town. 28 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From across Golden Dawn to London City gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
May talk about British nationality, naturalization, and our registration. Obi oba kromo ha bia betina bia. Ade a ɛda n'ani so ne sɛ daakye bia ɔbɛyɛ British citizen. Na kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ application na ɔbɛyɛ British citizen. Na nsa na obi bɛyɛ British citizen. Yɛwɔ mmara a aban no ahyehyɛ a yɛfrɛ no the British Nationality Act 1981. Saa mmara no eno na kyerɛ kwan a ɔbɛfa so na ɔde ayɛ British. Na nya no nko a yɛwɔ nhyehyɛ bi wɔ hɔ a yɛfrɛ no case workers guidance notes. No no mo hwɛ wasɛm na no mo so mo hwɛ so edidi wasɛm. Yɛn nyinaa ɛbɛyɛ yɛn dɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ application na ayɛ successful. Enti ɛyɛ good sɛ application a wɔbɛyɛ. Wobɛyɛ sure sɛ mmara na yɛahyehyɛ wobɛdi so. New guidance notes a aban no de aba ɛfa British nationality. So British nationality ɛyɛ registration and naturalization. Nhyehyɛeɛ ɛwɔ ho a yɛfrɛ no conduct anaa suban ɛyɛ bebree na ɛnɛ meetu m'ani asi mmiɛnsa so. Saa mmiɛnsa no ɛka ɛyɛ den. Ɛka ɛyɛ sɛ obi akɔ bank akɔgye sika anaasɛ ɔwɔ account wɔ bank na yɛama no overdraft na wɔuse anaasɛ ɔuse credit card na wɔde ka anaasɛ ɔnni ɛkwan sɛ ɔbɛuse NHS no na wakɔuse na yɛama no bill na ɔntua. Home office foɔ sɛ wode ka kɛkɛ a ɛno deɛ ɛnyɛ no na ɔmobɛgyina so deɛ refuse. Na mmom sɛ wode ka, wode bank ka, wode credit card for ka, wode council tax ka, anaa wode NHS for ka, na wantua, na wanyɛ nhyehyɛe ɛmfa ntua, ɛno deɛ ɔmɛ refuse wɔ application. Na then na wɔsɛ wɔyɛ. Deɛ wɔsɛ wɔyɛ no sɛ, first of all, sɛ wode bank ka, wode overdraft, wode credit card ka, wode NHS ka, wode council tax ka, yɛn hyehyɛ na sɛ tua nti yɛfrɛ no arrangement. Nti saa arrangement a wɔyɛ no wobɛgyina so sɛ ɛnɛ yi mene sika a mede bɛtua na mmom sɛ menyɛ sika ɛnkyɛ biara na menya a ebi abosom biara mɛtua £10 anaa £20 anaa £50 na wo ne ɔma yɛ saa nhyehyɛ. Deɛ nti ɛte saa no sɛ aban ne sɛ wofa suban bi na wode aka bosia na wabobɔ bosia saa wɔ bank na mmom suban bɔ ne nti no wontua saa ka na ɔmo so no ɔmo mma British nationality. Yɛmpɛ sɛ obiara te aseɛ no sɛ British nationality no ɛnyɛ ɛhyɛ nti aban ne sɛ ɛnyɛ ɛhyɛ no nti no wobɛyɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ wo ho ɛyɛ korɔgyen wode ka a wotua. Ɔmo gye council tax a ɔmo ntua anaa obi wɔ hɔ a no ne ne ku anaa ne yere ne te na waka sɛ ɔno nko ara nɔte na ɛma no 25% discount anaa obi wɔ hɔ yɛ student wɔwie university no anaa wɔwie school no ɔnka nkyerɛ council no ma ɔmo nsesa because students ntua council tax. Obi ɔte fie biara a ɔwɔ council tax anaa wɔatwa ntorɔ akyerɛ council no anaa sɛ wɔndi ne ho ni ntua ne credit card anaa sɛ wakɔ use NHS nyɛ wo GP yɛ free. Obi a wote ha bia wo asetena wo nya asetena wo obetumi yi so GP. Na mmom sɛ GP yɛ referral sɛ kɔ ne yɛn sa ɔyareɛ ɛwɔ hospital na wokɔ hospital ekohu specialist ɛno ne yɛfrɛ no treatment ɛno yɛfrɛ no secondary treatment ɛno no deɛ so tua. Nti ɛno no ɔmo brɛ wo ho receipt anaa invoice a wonni sika ɛwɔ sɛ wo ne ɔmo hyehyɛ na wotua. Wantua a nso bɛ refuse wɔ application. I hope say we be boa obi. Kododo na mo wa no mo nyina mo pese mo ye British. So pese mo ye British dia. Om say wo say e kana wo de no tua ana wa ye nhihia tua. So wo pay advice about British citizenship ana wo de ka ana bibi si kwan na wo pese wo bad advice. We bet me a friend BWF Solicitors about British nationality and our registration and our naturalization. Your numbers in addition.
Mema obi biara akwaba ebe edwumedi so. A very special morning to you all, depending on your location. A good afternoon and a good evening. Megye say enenso ohwe na se ohwe de a mesre we ni die mo. Bomode anaka ye ho ene ye dwumedi a ye de bai. Megye say dodo na benya ho mfaso na mfaso no nso be yestan ni akomabusuafo. Nti mo bomode am oba so a share program ne maye na enkwe chichichichi media ni manyeti ene enigesem ene ye de bremo enti me ma me kasa nye tententen ene meka ne say medical congratulations Ghanaians omo win your first goal ye Ghana Blaster omo win your first goal no na ye enigesem ema ye mpa isanse ya ni match ya ye koboyi World Cup anu nko a edi echi ene sikasem ne ade no omo anyiro mo ho a ebe ya asem kese enti no Omedi kind awini we congratulate them so my ade omum preso na omum komunim na afenso no moba so a mesrem ani die mo share emaye nyoma this weekend Ewiane be yi n'ani kama, but yɛnkae say ye keep on drinking water sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛn dehydrate na nkɔfa ade bɔne bia mbrɛ yɛn. Mɛda mo nyinaa ase. Mɛsrɛ mo ɛnɛ me resource person ɔwɔ ha dada nti menkasa bebree mɛto nsa afrɛ no na ɔno nso mfa nkyia mu ɔda mu ohwam ɛma etiefoɔ ɛne ahwɛfoɔ. Na afei deɛ yɛwie a ne yɛde topic no aba abɛto dwa nneɛma ɛkokɔ so vacation ɛba student ewie dodoɔ na ewie ɔmo exams nkromo bɛkɔ kromo six formers yi ne secondary schools yi ɔmo gu mu twoo because yɛwie exams na baabi a ɔbɛkɔ bia no hyehyɛ ɔmo nenam saa kwa nti no ama kromo ayɛ dɛ deɛ but adesua nso ehia nti na ɛnɛ BWF Solicitors yakɔfa topic yi aba na yɛba bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu na yɛhwɛ nneɛma bi yie ɛwɔ yɛn abrabɔ mu nti mendi kan ɛnka topic no me invite me lawyer Charles Asma na ɔmfa nkyia mbrɛ mu na afei deɛ yɛtumi gyina so na yɛde introduce a new topic nti lawyer Charles mpakyɛ me ma a special good morning anɔpɛ.
Thank you, Na, and good morning to you. Good morning to viewers. Yechia obi biara, bibia to biara and a pay no. It's a yen and a direction yen have been check and see a bro. Na endam komono here pa also suban character. Na so suban ye na ka visa ako UK or memoir another at na UK or memoir. Obosho suban no na word the visa na mo. Another obosho suban no akado onye usuban nko na visa nko. Until we are going to look at good character and impact on UK visa application.
Yo, sorry, I introduced me topic now, mamza. You know, any nyinara menya ho anko so hia na ne media yi do. Ne mama no pay me wie me quiet time me so me hwe Morocco don. No knowing there young bra penny lawyer easy birthday. Ain't it lawyer Charles Asma. Mama, happy belated birthday. I would have loved to share a few words, but time is not on our side. However, Mesrɛ Nyankopɔn nhyira ɛde ma wo na nimdeɛ a ɔde ama wo in terms of this particular area of your working ɔnkɔdora no increase no ma amansa nyina hu dɛ aben wɔ adesua no mu nti yɛ w'adwuma a enyimɛre yɛ na ɔma nhyira ɔntɔdo ma wo nya more customers more clients na sika no nso ɔntaata nti mempaabo a mede ma wo anɔpɛ yi nyame nhyira wɔ birthday a edi birthday year no bɛka ho a obi bɛka na erinyin na erinyin nso a nyɛ dɛ erinyin kɛkɛ erinyin wisdom erinyin obi biara mu na man nso na ɛrehwɛ ho yie because ma ɔda w'enyim na ɔdɔɔso ma abɛso no kɔde yehu ma ɔte nti ma ɔda y'enyim no de yɛnyim ɔna dɛ yɛbɛtoto yɛ anamu yie na yɛtumi atu kwan no yie enti happy belated birthday lawyer Charles. You've already introduced the topic that we about to educate the public and mind your behavior. How does your character affect your UK visa application? And this particular topic I can is not necessarily there with UK Kromoha. It could be there mana nereba ana abedu na another visa. So all types of visa application character sisi a ɔka ho dindindin because wɔpɛdɛ wohu dɛ wɔn a wɔde visas rema wɔn suban oye their character does it befit the society ansana na character na yɛba abɛdwidwi mu nyɛ biribiara na betumi de ahyɛ character na nyɛma pii nso ɔka character ho nti na yɛbɛhwɛ wo visa application na ɛrekɔgye no suban bi wɔ mu suban bi wɔ ho bibi ɛreyɛ a enyim dɛ ɔbɛtumi afɛto yɛreba abɛhwɛ ne nyinara abra ekɔ akɔgye visa ehu dɛ wusuban na ɔka ho na ɛde rekɔ no ɔnkɔyɛ hinti bia biara ɔmma wo na wɔmfa visa ma wo asomdwe mu. So these are some of the things that we'll be looking at today. Your character, your behavior, how does it affect your visa application? Ain't no lawyer Charles Asma personal friends matunsa afro biom yɛreka yɛn behavior de obia na ne su na ne ban na ma ɔhe na yeah obe affect yeah visa application yem papi mu e na ma etefo na wonsua bibi mfiri mu medase wadaroma
Yo, medase bebre na ya adze pa. Wo fanti no mu da ho kama. Aya adze.
medase
Yo, enti etiefu ne ahwefo odzikan ye do bibiara ase. One pie ball, one nsam na nkwanhyɛ sam adze a wɔka gu m'abrabɔ do. Yankopɔn hyira obi biara. Afidie sisi no na yɛasua adze akɔhina enyim ama obiara tumi yɛ n'application ama obiara nso n'enyi agye. Na ndɛ nkɔmmɔ no dɛm yɛbɔ do no ɔse mind your behavior. Na obi bebesi dɛ na musuba no so ɔfa visa bɛka gye ho anaa. Nokwar UK visa no sɛ wosuba no nyɛ a ɔbɛyɛ dze na wɔdze bɛma anaa dɛ wɔbɛka dɛ wɔma atena UK ɔman no mu. Na obi bebesi dɛ suba no ɔyɛ baadze dɛ mekasakasa anyhow anaa dɛ meyɛ nyama a ɔmfra mmara kwan mu anaa dɛ abaadze na ɔyɛ suba no a sɛ meda n'edzi wɔ m'abrabɔ mu a mekagye UK visa a wɔmfa ɛmam. Na UK mmara no ne fa bi yɛfrɛ no part suitability immigration mmara no yɛfrɛ no part suitability. Kana no no wɔfrɛ no part 9 to the immigration rules. Yɛkae a obi ma wo refuse no visa na wɔse you refuse yɛ aban no under part 9 paragraph 9.7.2 of the immigration rules. Na wakeka no bebree. Them part 9 nyinaa no wasesa no wɔfrɛ no part suitability. Nti ndɛ no sɛ wɔma wo visa application na wɔde decision ma wo ɔyɛ visa application na wɔde decision ma wo a na wɔatwerɛ obi a SUI so and so SUI so and so na kyerɛ dɛ wɔsi wosuban no or paragraph so and so ɛwɔ suitability. Wɔka nyinaa yi dɛ sɛ wosuban no nyɛ a will you be suitable to be in the UK or to enter the UK? Wodi kan yɛbɔhwɛ visa application form no nyama bi ɔwɔ do a offer them part suitability no ho. Na number 2 yɛbɛhwɛ policy guidance na ɔwɔ part suitability no na yɛbu ekwan ma etiefu nso webisa asɛm another wɔakyerɛ ho n'adwen. Na yɛbɛsrɛ producer na ɔdze han afa application form a yɛyɛ no nsɛm bi a ɔwɔ hɔ a ayɛ wobisa. Ɔse travel history. Ewia na yɛakɔ convictions. Ewia na yɛakɔ other history. Na obebisa dɛ baazem nti na obisa dɛm question yi. Na sa anka nokwar anada amahwan answer ɔyɛ nokwar a na wohu a obɛyɛ dɛn afa ho. Nti na yan mfam travel history weyɛ immigration form application form obi visa application form. Na visa application form no do no ebohu bibi dɛm questions dey ɛwɔ do. Na yɛbɔkɔ dɛm questions no mu na yɛahwɛ dɛ sɛ nyimpa no ɔka dɛ no na nka ɔwɔ dɛ ɔka yes a nsunsuaso bɛn na ɔwɔ hɔ madam nyimpa no na yɛde akɔtoto mmara no ho. Nti na this is an application form.
na eyi application yi ne den oyɛ ma ɛreba kurom ha anaa dɛ ma ɛwɔ kurom ha dadaare yɛ
Ni nyinaa dɛ yɛrɛ wɔ mu ni nyinaa.
Yo, okay. Nti yɛnhwɛ for either the UK or any other country, have you ever been? Nti ever been? Na kyerɛ dɛ wobisa dɛ have you been ever refused a visa? Ɛnyɛ UK visa nkoten, kuro biara ne do visa. Na ma ɔto ado yɛ have you been have you ever been refused entry at the border? Na border na kyerɛ dɛ edu airport a ɛreba na waka dɛ wɔmma nwuram. Have you ever been refused permission to stay or remain wo kurom ha? Another baby, another, have you ever been refused asylum? Aya wadwe de kɔgye asylum na wɔse wɔremfa mma wo. Ebu kurom ha, have you ever been deported? Wait to wase de san kɔ kurom back. Have you ever been removed? Removed na deported so wom enti lawyer Charles bɛkyerɛ na say, have you ever been required to leave? Webisa there call wama wa nhyehyɛ de free ha na kɔ. Ana have you ever been excluded or banned from entry? Nyina lawyer Asma obɛkyerɛkyerɛ yi mu man na, and before we go to the next level. Nti lawyer Asma, your question. Oni.
Yeah, me that's it. Nti them questioning we back at the so it is simple. Back at the no. Na well who them ye clean. Whether you say no or not, you know not yeah can, because maybe can be no be our information at that. And you say 1 UK or any other country. And it says will be a Canada, America, when you to mean can kwara be a no way don't risk it. And it subanti nature the hano so you know na can kwara about some AC. If lie is lie showing your behavior. Each and try or cherusubani biana.
Enyo natural da nya bia idi no kwar.
Nyo bia di no kwar. International open no kwar zifu ewe UK.
That's it.
This ndi no kwar a won't mo onye wontima another won't mo nkada bra. Nti odi kan we bi so there. We nyum junyi bi se wa bounce visa. Wa bounce visa pena na asa abrochi no kone there wa bounce visa ni ya. Nti bounce visa na the way refuse visa na other UK or any other country. All na inyim asama or na inyim za aye. Obi a inyim application bi aye, another application bi obi aye amo. Nti manyim na beka. Na mum se kede no na one information I want to check yes that na check the control about affect you application and I say refuse entry at the border say na check nti yanko I say deported no we no one angasa na wa force so there was roko ukrum ibia it was detention one or one more aeroplane there watching airco another bia a code prison prison bear no and I was say bia subana woman na the prison nti won't mo yunti anyinti na krom ha bio na wa prepare na was oko and na removal no so to be frank, removal and deportation in no eshema or yentafo difference of mind the removal no or less way effect removal in the was roko ifie na was no enye da bia ekezi bon bi na was roko fe na bia we hu de nyin krata e okrom ha nti se nyin krata okrom and that na we so mu a otum was roko fie mo yeye required to live in here obi a waka chana bia because of Namakro another BNT. 1 month notice there was Uboko ifie another Warankasa call. And uncle. If you were required to leave and uncle, the question you say yes. Naturally, I was served notice to leave the UK in 2010, but I did not leave. And I found I was excluded or banned. Nti nkofo bi mbebre bi ma wa ban no your application on kan okwara ban no there be na application previous one we transfer na they even cry no this application no one kan okwara wo decision by na was no one kan okwara into your seat you've been refused and banned because suitability was not met because an kan okwara wo let the subsequent application or yeah or maybe so there have you ever been banned. You have to then say yes. And they say any other country. We be so the lawyer now maybe a UK application now why ban Canada another why ban US another any other country. Why them a country UK for? Question is say, have you ever been UK or been any other country? This is a Togo crown corner. 1 year na wa ban no the man kote go bioma or the can yes in the country ni details no ja is ho into sha example ya yen nipa no also yes also give details what happened actually an application was refused and also country in United Kingdom in the another sorry Canada abeka the Canada US abeka US country needs a bobo a shadow na a move to the next level. Nti now as a question be how we move on. Nti implement without the BBA Joho when did it happen? Actually, do you have an appeal pending? Also no.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Also give details of what happened. Application for independent no USS will refuse
Mm,
to actually come. In this a ban
okay.
banned watch him come. Sebia I
Mm,
was required to leave the UK. I received in 2023 a letter to
mm,
so
mm,
applicant application letter to leave the UK was served.
mm,
So you have
mm.
to give description. Uh-huh.
Nti,
Now,
before we move to the other side, then, then say it could be the on your first time application, and now it could be other application area. Nti, if you've ever been into these categories, but then, I your first application be that ma wa amount. Na afei equal extending no was saying bisa with the same application na. Do you still have to because I can't my when be I explaining my my visa and see say I could renew another extend another BB. Now these questions popped up. Still you have to say it in Portugal naughty.
nti maybe saying the impena hin no that it can asam no.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Miss maybe so impena hin no de di nokwar e wo wiase.
That about days in no.
So that is it. Nti
Mm.
anytime it is a equal no was amount. Na I can renewal no will be so question now or that kind of
Mm-hmm.
yes. Na
Mm.
what happened. So you keep repeating yourself all the time.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yebeko yenyim ba mo a bit funny question bo ho, but yebeko yenyim because obi wo man visa all right. Na what the visa ni man na wan kasa wa cancel visa. What the visa na ato ni passport no all right. Na chi wa cancel visa. No was a friend bi no was a man visa. On ndam ni explanation obeka ni then yes, wa refuse na then re given. Ana oho na ayeminya kakran.
Oh, nti what refusing.
Or refusing. No,
No.
what the visa ne tarry ni book nim. All right.
Uh-huh.
No, Saji, no, cancel.
Nti
And you only direct of why a bus. I know a friend, no, the visa ne man be.
okay. Nti question number 1. Have you ever been refused a visa?
Uh-huh.
Is it yes or no for this person?
I don't mean him because
Have
the
you
same one
no,
new application.
a sequence.
Okay.
Have you ever eaten before? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Have
Uh-huh.
you ever been refused a visa before?
Yes.
Yes. What
Okay.
happened? Date, country,
Uh-huh.
year, and description. The description when
Okay.
you put back there. Visa,
Okay.
visitor's visa refused.
Mm-hmm.
However, it was reissued
Okay.
on realization that the refusal was wrong.
A mistake.
It was a
Okay.
mistake.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. In that case, they are.
You will say enka there. Oh, one was what were refusing and one was the way they on account because you have been refused a visa.
Exactly, exactly. Okay, it's funny though the way that scenario happened, but it's
Yeah.
actually a true story. So, producer, if we can move to the next level of the application, and Anna man
Yes.
can like ask my own
Into
So,
the next one, convictions and other
and
penalties.
other penalties, yes, convictions and other penalties. But can just a minute. Yo, nti yɛnhwɛ at any time have you ever sorry at any time hey course now started that though but I don't know at any time have you ever had any of the following? No, I've never. I didn't.
Impano answer no.
Oh, okay.
So let's go
Okay.
through all the things what per day it's in the car for no.
Last
Either the
night,
answer will be yes or
you can
no.
hold 1 minute, and I mean, okay, it's okay, it's gone. Yo, at any time, have you ever had any of the following in the UK or in another country? A criminal conviction, a penalty for a driving offense, for example, disqualification for speeding, or no motor insurance, an arrest or charge for which you are currently on or awaiting trial, a caution, warning, reprimand, or order out of court penalty, a civil court judgment against you, for example, for a non-payment of debt, bankruptcy proceedings, or antisocial behavior, a civil penalty.
And see,
Mm,
yeah,
yeah,
sure, I say,
Nana.
yeah, sure, I say, also, say, call the baby to my fa, aye.
You, Marty. Okay.
Into the can also say convictions and other penalties. One, a criminal conviction. So we know they taking 11111 because the application then taking 11 again there just criminal conviction. It be now on your criminal conviction then mum or a bibi fufra also or adeno do of our in the criminal conviction you'll be a what now court. Now we for now was sentencing their uncle them another uncle community sentence and I do more of a suspended sentence. In just what do I call court, now your magistrate court, crown court. Now why you are convict to natural there a offender. In just say your offender or there you can yes na room. We are obia why convicting. Number two, I say obia penalty for driving offense. We that you see and go for
Papa. Hey, Adosu. Mm,
the one mention, for example,
mm.
disqualification for speeding or no
Auto insurance.
motor insurance. It
Mm,
doesn't mean that you two pay or see example. In the man
mm,
kind made it on your disqualification or on your
mm,
insurance. Or see example. In the
mm,
have you a penalty for a driving offense? So because what on your penalty? Penalty the one on the point.
mm,
On your disqualification in kind of car. So you say
mm,
yes.
mm,
Yes, sir. Also, what happened? The explanation will be there. Overspeeding resulting
mm,
in 3 point penalty or 6 point
mm,
penalty, or
mm,
overspeeding resulting in um, attending a course for a refresher course, or overspeeding resulting in a fine of £100, all that kind of car.
mm,
Ah, so what do you hear? Disqualification, disqualification for 1 year or 2 years or whatever. Say what you call court in a court, kada it's okay. Overspeeding resulting in a charge, but
mm.
it was not mostly na aka
Esi
come.
n'aka. Mm.
Then the next one,
Mhm.
arrest
An
or
arrest or
charge.
charge for which you are currently on, another awaiting trial.
Into Hano, also arrest or charge.
Mm,
One can
mm,
arrest and charge. Into
mm,
either of them are applied to you. No, one will
mm,
be one man arrest, but one
mm,
charge.
mm,
Obi so ma one arrest no, but
mm,
woman notice na ade no be fie no wakada wa charge no. Another
mm,
obi ma okọ police station interview, okọ wie no wa charge no. Nti say
mm.
in charge a inyim there
Yeah.
you been for a criminal offense.
Mm,
Another wa arrest no what do call detention as a custody in him
mm,
awaiting trial or on trial, you know.
mm,
Nti say inyim there be dem record or the can yes. Now what has happened. Or that I've been charged for blah blah blah, awaiting trial, now but date.
mm,
Another, I'm currently on trial. And because Obi Uma asem na esi ansa na other application boko. Another say as at the time other application no say she insi there and you say no. But so we see that now in a written police investigation, you have to say yes.
Mm.
And
Okay.
next one.
Next one. Okay. Next one here. A caution, warning, reprimand, or other out of court penalty.
Into here, no, it could be a criminal caution.
Mm. Mm.
Police station caution for criminal offense. Interview. Another one no.
Mm.
Police. I want no. Another one reprimand or actual or kwan bido. Into no, it could be there. Another was the out of court penalty. Out of
Mm.
court penalty in the there. You've been charged, but you either pay a fine of this amount or you go to magistrate court. Ano
Mm.
yìí na example ni bi. Nti sẹ́rí application na ìyẹn sure or they seek advice and na akyerɛ.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Oh yeah. Hey, dama di nkrofo pii di demo. Now, oh yeah, one. Now, Lawyer Charles, before we continue, I don't want to forget this question. All this, dam. Suppose you find yourself in one or two of them, but in him there, yes, one more penalty for driving offense, another one more penalty. But as a matter of fact, it's been maybe over 20 years now, and now 20 something years now. In Shedan Kaya, what actually happened? But then in him there, in that explanation, a bit more kadeo, yes, one more, but urefi adosi, and or this chinchina explaining because maybe you were just stopped and then you were cautioned and BB answered in see another BBC. Na but I refi wo inti dama refi part and with home office. How do you deal with it?
Yeah, na bibi oti dem bia no 100 years okra be kind de me kind one day bia mo kofie no me
Mm-hmm.
drive no was stop was the blow me blow yeah was it's gone over. No
Yes.
come to the you remember the story. Nti se nipa ka de men kai a oboa obekai.
Mm-hmm.
Ibi a ni nya full length ni na ba bekai
Uh-huh.
but a kai ba bekai no is enough. Because
Okay.
in Kaya then BBC.
There in there, yes, one more civil court judgment pen. But urefi adipotia until when you call another you were driving, but in him there whether it was for over speeding another alcohol a year another in motor insurance in shedan kai the madden, but you knew very well there when you are caught now because
Okay.
of driving offense, yes.
Well, if and then you pay on quite on Kai. About sure there. So now no you know about the I. So be no I'm about the applicant
Mm-hmm.
recourse being blah 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 blah.
Yes.
However, cannot
Mm,
record the exact details of the
uh,
disqualification or of the ban or of the offense or of the
okay.
caution.
Okay.
No. They know. So
Exactly.
I kind of
Mm-hmm.
that is different from saying it hasn't happened.
Okay. Oh, ye dam hona nampede clarify because I refer so if we can move on from there, producer, more to adoni a civil court. Okay, a caution, warning, reprimand, or order out of court penalty. Now I'm facing some count precon. A civil court judgment against you, for example, for a non-payment of debt, bankruptcy proceedings, or antisocial behavior. And then lastly, a civil penalty issued under UK immigration law. Into young kicker. Now questions go
Uh-huh.
on that bit to you.
And the civil court judgment, they
Mm-hmm.
be a can CCJ.
Okay.
Then a CCJ also you see at any time.
Anytime.
One can there in this year or last year or 5 years ago, also at any time in
Anytime.
life.
Mm.
At any time have you had CCJ against you? And you
Mm-hmm.
say, yeah, 10 years ago, na CCJ, na indefinite application,
You
another
still have.
naturalization. You say yes.
Mm,
And you give the date. Then
mm,
you give description or details. I received CCJ
mm-hmm,
for it's I
mm,
received CCJ. However, I paid. and it was satisfied. Or I received CCJ. However, it is no more on my file. But you say yes. And I non-payment of, and there was for example, non-payment of debt, bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is another area. And antisocial behavior. Antisocial behavior no, may not necessarily be a friend then CCJ. Now, social behavior, even the kind of civil court judgment, it could be the civil court judgment for debt. On a debt be a yenim. But obviously, maybe or a noise, antisocial behavior, na do a community no or in some who what be an already. Which was no court, no court time and judgment. They don't do this again. Or never go out at this time, or when you go out, make sure you don't hold bottle or glass. Such judgment, for behavior or declare.
Okay.
Yeah, civil penalty under immigration law. The civil penalty and immigration law be a commit immigration offense. No, I'm more penalty. Be a yadam. No, or they declare.
Okay. Ano yes, or there declare nsɛm no bi ɔdɔɔso, but dam ebi arefiri ni bi na American dam CCJ. The thing is kroma nyama nkrɔfo fa nyama mu na odu baby a na inyim dɛ ade na osi no matter how minimal it is, inyim dɛ obetuma affect your future applications. You didn't even take it for you took it for granted, and now you didn't take any attention, pay extra attention towards that. Na CC and we acquire application and nyina aba begum. Say it can there it try yes na but mbia oil mafande adekudu na wo bisa oil another onyo like inyim there which is which na atro yes na wankasa wo kwohwe na onti dama so no so dey on how ana no so etwa ato
Oh, so no dey I can yes.
Corner.
Yeah, enti sɛ obi sɛ wo na ɛka yes a sɛ ɔno aka nokwar. So wɔkɔhwehwɛ mu na ɔyɛ nokwar a another ɔnte dɛm na aka a, why will you even say that? But then it will not go against you. It's better to declare than to hide it.
Hide
And
it.
to declare against yourself. So, you haven't committed any offense. Why will you even say that?
Mbia na BBS pen, but onyim which is which. Into ompedo obeka no na obaba be ato. Into no I can yes, but onyim where that particular thing, the category that will be taken to. Into no orekan ma obeya onkoye there we try to baby a one can no quarrel baby. Say into producer yanko next one. Last man men fadam call you obin pocho.
Yeah, producer, let's go to the next one on the application form. No, the application form.
Okay, yeah. Application form. Okay.
There are three aspects of the application form. Have we got all of them? So conviction, and other history. What is the other history? There's another one, other history, if you can check for us. Okay, whilst we are waiting for producer we have seen there are three parts. The first part is also travel history.
Okay.
Other history, yeah.
Yeah, sure. No travel history. Acquaintance on young share nature there.
Baby. This is the one, other history. This is the third part.
Okay, other history. Into other history, be either in either okay, in either peace or wartime, have you ever been involved in or suspected of involvement in in war crime against humanity, or genocide? Heidi.
Why the nkurɔfo bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔbɛka dɛ
Heidi.
no because
No.
nti wɔyɛ top captains
Eh.
ɛna wɔbɛka yes, but normal people like us there are
No,
a lot of
no one one
wɔbɛka no.
kadam na.
Oh, quick.
Okay.
Quick. Can you redact, please? Remove it. Okay.
Okay, because the editing
All right.
wasn't real. Oh yeah.
All right.
Into some of these behaviors that will definitely affect your visa application. However, in there can now you've I reply all the necessary. I can acquire. You've said all the truth about whatever transpire in these areas or categories are we busy concerning your behavior. CCN or yeah home office one decision gyina wɔn do. Nti eyi ɔbɛyɛ discretional anaadɛ aka nokware na I explain ɔde ma wo anaadɛ ne nyinaa sisi a ogyina wɔn do.
So ebi wɔ mu a nabra yɛkyerɛ mu no suitability no. Then it will take us to the part suitability consideration.
Okay.
Producer, call part suitability policy no. Na yɛnhwɛ dɛ sɛ obi waka nokware a sanka oye o, but how would that affect nipa no? Also previous breach of
UK immigration law.
part suitability. Nti we 2026 February I'm patch scroll down man.
Okay.
Nti equal content na about your ko gina homa also what is breach of on the overstaying exceptions, refusing entry clearance or permission to enter, application made outside the relevant time period, but your ko as briefly. Producer, just go down a bit for us. Okay, I think that's it. So back to the content page. Back to the let's stay on content. Nyamfa in your way, yeah, just stay here for us. In terms of previous immigration, under immigration offenses, say obioma we refusing visa, obioma we removing from the UK, obioma we deporting, all those ones will come will go against Inyipano, so about suitability consideration. And a year war suitability requirement for criminal offense. Nti obioma wa convict in the pen a says especially obi a wa convict in 12 months and above UK. Na wa ka dem report and we you know if you chrome ha no obaba no obecha. Nti dem nyimpa no automatically in the case where can be there you have previously been convicted of a serious offense. Into them. Now, what are some of the offenses? Fall under criminal act, Most offenses will be, for example, offenses against the Person Act 1960, Section 3. Cultural there say it's bonnet to be sexual offenses. Within call of sexual offenders register, within call abenumu the a commit offense ABH another GBH ABH actual bodily harm and GBH grievous bodily harm ni nyinaa no ɔka offenses no ho nti obi a wa commit offense it could even be money laundering, it could even be identity fraud. A lot of people ubetumi issue under identity fraud. Ozo obi ni dzin krataa da aka yɛ adwuma another obi ni dzin da aka yɛ adwuma na waakye ɔbɛndama na sɛ ɔde no kɔ court na wa convicting be able 6 months na ɔkɔ prapra ekwanum now another community sentence no the manner identity fraud no is aspect of the of once a wa convict ungutin obey issue or there or better or filed or they declare. In the case where can mobis and when there, should this person's behavior be allowed or not? So they weigh against the public interest. Are you somebody that should be considered?
Okay.
How long are a seminal OC? Obi
Mm.
ma adini see no na oye abofraba bi oye
Yes.
teenager another oye
Mm.
youthful in obi early 20s or whatever. This are you
Mm.
when to be about on the number 40 ni 50
Mm.
30 years ago 20 years ago nipa no waro form kama this are doing what to do or family
Mm.
or
Mm.
responsibility them no you request mitigation. So there are
Okay.
exceptions. There are exceptions and there are mitigation points. Obi so
Mm.
mo obe UK no wa fa kwan pado na ode bay
Mm.
obi
Mm.
a jebisa na ode abe UK only the okafa desert okafa airport
Mm.
na bibia na ode be pui na oni na
Mm.
man okay indefinite leave to remain another okay naturalization wotum
Mm.
use nipa no ma oyeye nti ne nyinaa mu no in your discretion per se bi ma depending on how serious it is no
It is
have
okay.
exercise discretion to waive it.
Mm.
Because we're very, very serious, the caseworker will exercise discretion to say there's going to be a mandatory refusal.
Mm.
There's
Mm.
mandatory refusal for suitability offenses, and
Mm.
discretionary refusal for suitability related issues.
Issues. Okay.
It depends on the level of seriousness, the gravity. No.
Hey, ɔyɛ asɛm o. Oye, nti edu sisi a nti akyerɛkyerɛ n'ase nyinaa na yɛnhwɛ menim dɛ ɔka ho de but because of time factor yɛnhwɛ na ma ɔwom dɛ bi a wama akɔ court ma wama court convention but wayɛ no suspended na aserve wama bi a suspended for 2 weeks another 3 months. Normally I think it's 3 months and then 6 months and then 9 months then 12 wɔ keketɛ dɛ ɔtoatoa do na after that biribi nsi BBNC Dama, then you've been able to pose a good character, no, about years, like 15, 20 years and above. And I'm put there, two instances. It be a less than 10 years, and then it be above 10 years. Inti honestly, if you declare now, obenya consequence because aka no na afe from there no so dam suban in repeating in falling into inye bibia or trade what punish on asan akoyi bioma ono nso implication obey the fact that one mount why a dam conviction one for amount the account usuban ho another no dam discretion now obesan apply to you over there.
Yo, nti your repeat offense. Repeat offense no obi a ne subanan de bia oyɛ bɔn. Nti
Mm,
and drink driving, ochina overspeeding. And
mm,
the next year, almost every year or
mm,
something. Nti sɛ nka ɔcatalog a
mm.
application form no ɔno de no obodu bi a bɛyɛ 30 pages because offenses no
Hey.
koraa no o take 10 nti
Uh,
sɛ woyɛ ɔdze adze no abɛto w'enyim a
mm,
what will you think? Let's assume that wayɛ bɔna over the last 5 years watwa tum 2 years wasan ayɛ bio in on and off dɛm a
on and
na
off.
ɔwo na ɛyɛ case worker what will you say? Will you say that it's
No
under
matter the next
this?
ban.
Look at the no, this is a repeat offender. And
Mm,
on your beer, but you are considered in any way. But
mm,
there are once there's no way about it. Uduma, why
mm,
wait, one can occur, we refuse to and can occur.
mm,
Now, where was in why ban. So a ban what's it 10 years?
mm,
10 years before you can be considered no, do the 10 years last.
mm.
We know a strict, a
Yes.
fixed.
Mm,
But Obioma be a drink driving. And now one more caution. Another
okay.
one commando there. Don't do that again. Neko.
Mm,
The man only declare fine. We see
mm,
happened 5 years ago. It declared
mm,
because the one more time in period ninety. It has to be anything since life. So you have declared, but it's 5 years ago. Caseworker no, okay, this one we don't think there
Yeah.
affect them in any way at this stage. Until Obama discretion now or the visa no amount. So meet requirement no in but this now next ongoing. So
Yeah.
ongoing then by all means application decision no obe suspending. Nti ma so your charger we na so your also we na we hu outcome and sign now why decision no na what's amount. Obi a me an application on the kitchen there I did the channel no it's over and sana nti mekwa na matu madwunu mu odo bi sema na say na trial no half also you over for some October over some October na say no did after October and sana ye at wonka but ladum yat one can before
Before.
well date na what the visa no man this is one of you be no ya dam lack no
Nche mmebisa damn time na ayewa application. You just made the application and submit it. Na inyi criminal biara. However, just a day or two now, we pofrum. Akoye BB serious ma wacho another wa convict to another BBAC wa few days akọ court wa charge na nyam nyam. But wa application na yen on bay or da ho consideration. After the wakwa inti you made the application outside another offense na and it was outside when you were doing the application but it's in wakwa system name until once the time what be consider our application wa hwe ho adwuma wa ye na wakọ hu de say na akọ ye day or ye wa said de bibi dam ni si nche de notify home office ana de awjem ma wo hu a fine we hu nso a bingo ana abade na ode nche ye
yo bibi an you watch there or that kaka on there oh after my application asem we see one will hu anyway because they share information into hu no wa throw no wa catch that your application decision cannot be made because we are now aware that ABC has happened so we
okay
wait.
right oh yeah in that case need the nature there now so when you mention dates na in chede bb dates and time no I report I don't know who's seen but the time and the year no sin ono so aye asam kakra would that affect your application I can current all right but then in tumanka do see 2001 2002 awen him there watch in who year but then you remember that those offenses were committed in year and date will play a significant role if you are not if you didn't get it right
Oh, I mean, so we say date. Into date, you know, there it be shim and sana across the
Aqua
next
next level
date. Now, because then you're sure that year October, November, whatever which year, no, it's my kind of issue because the back oh yeah, me can do see 2020. I mean, yeah, sure. So you November, another whatever, naka, another yeah, sure. The month and the year, so you put
yeah
in whatever you can recall. But when
okay
you are giving description, you have to add that
Mm,
this happened.
mm,
This is what is going on now.
mm.
However, regarding the exact month and
Granted,
year,
yeah, no, you
do
can.
not fully remember. As
Mm,
far as I can recall, it
mhm,
is October 2020, but I
mm,
cannot be 100% sure.
mm.
Then
Okay,
we
in
go
that, is there any way you can recall? I mean, request your criminal record from the police. I mean, any data from the police for you to be very much aware. Nyama aye, because you know when they will keep a record first. Now there was something. Oh yeah, what year? Me refini then I stand to be corrected. BB the request from the police now or the bro. I've forgotten a bit, but up to now, say BB day name there, I day, watch your day, why, but in ma BB or I bet my request your data from the police out Bema. betum obe edu na ayewa application no correctly na bibi dam wo ho.
Yes, sir. Epede inya information from the police about you but my request. Just
Okay.
like requesting your data from the Home
Home
Office.
office.
Once
Okay.
you are data subject, you can write to
Mm-hmm.
the police. Just the police stations in the also. So maybe
Okay.
you go online and check requesting my file from the police. And I follow process, So, but, I think it will be online. Not many
Mm-hmm.
people do that, so I will not be able to say this is how you do it. But you
Okay.
go online and search requesting my data from the moment you know you have data with the police, that means
Mm.
you have had an encounter with the police before.
Before,
So
yeah.
so your court, you can request your data from court. So
Mm.
wherever it is, you can get your data from any organization at all to be
Okay.
sure that.
And it's allowed that they will give it to you. Okay, that's good then. You see, I'm
Under,
able to
under the
telephone
um, Data Protection Act 2018, you have a
line.
right to request your data.
That's great to know. And more, mommy, maybe some of these things, and if you know how serious it is, now if they hune can na application in because sometimes no so I refibema betro bibi na fe akoye there. It I think that one way to get most of these things in your part there police station due to one thing another court because a police station some of the friend cases they will refer you now to court to that driving offense be our court and now bb it's not the police station na court or link or data together. So if you request not what the brower or bebwa na aye aye what application is so over can then na I didn't ato na e remind one no yi ba cho be fresh or was so I didn't know over 10, 20 years ago. Now go request her. Oba be de nyim na cheda ye fresh or what dream winti application na. Data is data. Now whenever it happen or affable first nanche was something we call rehabilitation period. It commit offense be a one period bi a na hwɛ wo ho yie committee dam offense na another nye bibia bio ma up to some time na nkyɛ wɔbɛ clean wɔ hɔ but see ade offenses ne yɛ 100 years or older than yourself koraa they keep it na wa wonyim menti a wɔyɛ dam. So opening the telephone lines, and if you have any question concerning your character, your behavior towards your application, you can ask. But on your non so we still allow any question provided or your immigration, some Ghana loan, some application, or your litigation, some ne nyinaa bɛtumi bisa. It doesn't matter about this particular topic. You can ask any question at all. Lawyer Charles Asma or you're well able to answer you. Na ɔkyerɛ asɛm no wa anaade no mu dɔ a bɛtumi ama appointment na kɔ na afei ɔno go further. Nti 075 966 20 154 mɛsana ɛsi so biom 075 966 154 Nafre. You can call on WhatsApp, you can call on normal call. I think so you can bring your messages on the platform on Sumetuma can see producer obi di bi abato hosi sampacho betime yamam na yen sha so ho na fe de yen twen some of the calls na yen ko yenyim behavior the ohawadwen na character ohawadwen enti ye bibi anade besho eyi nanse ma wode chichichi pa ye wona wo jump eyi your friend then buses na dam tube you call for trainer barriers and train in ticket na den ono so wa be big case inyim de o wo nyu ho camera nyu ho another bibi ananye no camera mpo station masters no won to ho enti na a jump na akọ repair ono so na afem ni nyina wo rehwe enti onya nsonsanso bo ana wo so mu a or go against you ne nyinaa ka character behavior you know ɔka ho bi nti yɛnhwɛ Mary Ajiman Boatin, a very good morning to you. Also, lawyer, please. It's those laws that they have implemented on recent cases about 15 years before you get your indefinite leave to remain is going to affect your parental route, please. Ni question, Dr. Atase, lawyer Charles Atase. Also, those laws are why implementing recently. No, by affect to case who indefinite leave to remain on affect your parental route, please. Struggling to understand it.
I think Mary, I have friend now be some question na
Mm,
we are actually no interesting no my papa.
mba papa. Nti iwodo a another way ma you can retype or call and
What you
for
so
us to
I
give you the
audio
accurate
recording
mm,
I will a
WhatsApp no
different
do.
language you know is a WhatsApp. I mean a
Mm,
WhatsApp yeah.
WhatsApp, okay. I have one here. Also, lawyer. Oh, this is quite a long one. I'm not sure the bar platform, no, do, but it's okay. Also, I am a school worker, 6145. I was previously married and I'm now divorced. Sorry. I currently have a girlfriend in the UK and we have a child together. We are also expecting another child. While completing an application, I was asked whether I was in a relationship. I selected no. I plan to marry my girlfriend next year and then apply for her to join me as a dependent. Could this affect my application or cause any problems in the future?
Or your
Mensa
national application.
me
No be send a a girlfriend. No no.
kind first part na mbioma.
Because I say
Mhm.
but as a skilled worker.
Now see, I was previously okay. I am a skill worker 6145,
Yeah.
and previously I had I previously married and I'm now divorced. Waka de wa divorce not de or worry wo ni skill worker na nedo no wa divorce no can de. I'm currently I currently have a girlfriend in the UK. Nti
Mm,
girlfriend over UK ha, and we have a child together. We are expecting
yeah.
another. Mm-hmm. In CCLC, while completing an application, I was asked whether I was in a relationship. No, can they know? Nti ho no bisa.
While completing which application? Application or the back room hano another renewal be okay, yeah. It doesn't really matter to be fair. At the
One.
end of the day, whilst completing application you were asked, are you in a relationship? Not to know, right?
Mm, yes.
Yeah, not to know. In the H,
Okay.
you know. Because be at that time when we share girl, no, but there was no any relationship.
Okay.
And
Ena wa kro dada. Ena sisi a. Also visa extension application. Visa
visa extension
extension application.
visa extension application. So they say on any panel I will call. But the question is,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it depends because there's so much to understand about this situation, you know. Into so
Mm.
also up there all your application more banana another
Okay.
application or that to issue baba which is what
Mhm. The question I want there. Also, I plan to marry my girlfriend next year and then apply for her to join me as a dependent. But the question is there, could this affect my application or cause any problem? Because the can known obi sa there, say see your band ni girlfriend. No,
oh
no,
okay
see
because
can. Because
matter
no, so no, you know, kodada or ba, until no, there was a relationship.
and
That I
it's
say.
like about the
Mm-hmm.
suitability yama na yekano.
Uh-huh.
Okay. But under relationship, application,
Mm-hmm.
immigration application relationship, there are
Mm-hmm.
four categories of relationship.
Okay.
Nti
Okay.
yɛhwɛ dɛ ɔyɛ nokware dɛ ɔka no for no or
Mm-hmm.
no for something else.
Okay.
One,
Uh-huh.
what is your relationship? One, married. Nti a drop down now, a drop
Mm,
down box, number four. Are you
okay.
married? He wasn't married to the person,
Yeah.
right? So it's
No.
no. Two,
Uh,
are you an unmarried partner to the person? If you are not living together, you are not
uh-huh.
an unmarried partner. So the
So
answer
it's
will
still
be
no.
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 Or your
Mm-hmm.
girlfriend, okay, there's no girlfriend on the list. So
Okay.
you can only say no.
So
The next
no.
one, separated.
Okay.
On separate. So
That's
no.
it.
The next
Mm.
one, divorced. But the question would be, because the way you new application, come
Uh-huh.
on, all your new application, no, you first dependent, you know,
What divorce?
dependent. We
No,
divorce,
what
we
divorce?
divorce. So
Mm-hmm.
relationship should be divorced, right?
Yes. Yes. Mm.
So why will you say no? Because it's a drop down menu. It's not
Mm.
yes or no.
Okay, maybe if you are listening, pa, like you just
And
answered
I'll
visa
cast single.
exemption.
I'll cast single
Yeah,
and
one can or it's not
nah,
part
so
of
it's
the
not fair
message that.
because it's
Okay.
a list, it's a drop down menu. So you have to
Mm,
choose one from the list.
okay.
It's not a question of have you been in a relationship or are you in a relationship?
Okay.
If
When
are you
Bisaba.
in a relationship, the answer will be
Mhm.
no. But
Okay.
what is your relationship?
Relationship.
Then
Uh,
they give you the list and you take one.
one from
So
there.
make sure
Okay.
that he has to come back to clarify what he means by
Sure,
that
sure, sure.
question.
If you are listening, you can clarify the drop down questions that you were asked and you said no. Yenya kola ba ko ahoma no so. Hello kola, pachawaba program ne so me ate wonka. No we bisa a question. Hello. Okay, say on kasa. Let's pick another caller. The numbers again to call are 075 966 20 154. Again, 075 966 20 154. So that is it. More question back on so I have I'll say I'll say I have been on a health and care visa, worker visa since 2002, and I extended my visa in 2006. I got married 2002 and divorced in March 2005. I informed the Home Office about my divorce. I have now had a baby with a woman who is currently someone else dependent wife. Can I marry her and add her as my dependent on my visa? Question looks familiar. Lawyers, Pampacho Minka.
Okay, but you repeat question of mine.
See, I have been on a health and care worker visa since 2022 and I extended my visa in 2026. I got married in 2022 and divorced in 2025. I informed the Home Office about my divorce. I have now had a baby with a woman who is currently someone else's dependent's wife. Can I marry her and add her as my dependent on my visa?
And on your be here aquarium.
Sɛ nipa ma nipa ne divorce ansa na waware ne anaa.
You're breaking it down. On your be
Okay.
here aquarium.
Ɔne obi yere akɔnyem sɛ
You be
wote
here
aseɛ
aquarium.
saa
No, I say on top of that, will be
eh,
say, let me add you know. Na me
sɛ
na
ɔno a divorce nti ɔno sɛ sisi ɔno yɛ
already
dwesodie ne
was that. I told you be here aquarium.
saa
Because if I know I didn't aquarium no divorce here na.
wanka wɔ ha sɛ wa divorce ɔsɛ obi yere
I say
ɔyɛ
somebody else is
dependent
dependent.
yes. Mm,
Somebody's dependent means wa them independent sana.
eh,
Inti obi ne year no nyina akanyem.
mm,
One point. Second
yes.
point, me pede meji oba no
Mm,
na me ne betena me fie.
mm,
Na mo hye no.
okay.
Na be na aka ji obi, nye obi ne year awo. Iwie nso e ka aka ji ne fie.
Enti na ɔka dɛ ɔno ɔno divorce no na
Yɛnua no nsɛm a ɔwɔ n'ano no ɔdɔɔso. Ɔmfrɛ
ɔdɔɔso
no,
ba ɔntumi
ɔmfrɛ
nka
no
ne
na
nyinaa da.
I mean, viewers and listeners, you see, what we do is learning, and at the same
Uh-huh.
time, we create therapy for ourselves.
That's correct. Yes.
Nti yes yɛserew a ɛnyɛ dɛ obi n'asɛm a ohia no na yɛn
Yeah,
yɛde
yes.
serew.
Mm,
Ɛnyɛ
mm,
dɛm na ɔte.
mm,
Na mbom, dɛ mmerɛ the whole week up and down, up and down, up and down.
mm.
Obi koraa yɛserew yi ɔserew bi. Obi wie
It's
no na
true.
pressure nyinaa
Mm,
ɔkɔ. Nti nyɛ dɛ
mm.
yɛserew because of ade no, na mbom yɛserew because ne fa bi no na we create them ɔserew no.
So now,
Especially maybe the way ɔka no no, dɛ
mm,
obi ne yere me na akwanyam na mpɛ dɛ megye ne
mm-hmm,
kene no. Ɛna ɔma serew no kabae na mmom nyɛ dɛ nsɛm na yɛn take no serious. Yɛn take no
yeah,
serious.
yeah.
Na
Mm,
mmom yɛka kyerɛ yɛn nua nyinaa dɛ ɔmo dɛ the way ɔpresent asɛm no na
mm.
wama asɛm no ayɛ serew.
That's
Na
it.
asɛm no ankasa ma ɔpa kyerɛ yɛn dɛ
It's
ɔnyɛ
serious.
obi bɛyi wagya na aware. Na
Mm,
wɔkɛhyɛ obi dɛm nyimpa no so woegyaa ne kunu aware ba na ɔyɛ
mm,
dependent ɔnyene nyi hɔ biom
yes.
ɛna
Mm,
ebi a na waka akyerɛ fikasim ama ne 60 days ɔbaa ne
yes.
60 dɛ ɔnyɛ application foforɔ nti obi
Mm,
sɛ dɛ woegyaa no na woegyaa ne yer ɔbaa no so
mm,
woegyaa ne kunu ɔbaa no
mm,
wama ne 60 days anaadɛ ɔbaa no ɔnenam obotum
mm,
sisia no a ɔbaa no yɛ free na ɔno so yɛ free na ɔne no wɔ ba no obotum wayɛ
mm.
application dɛ ɔgye no atenam dɛ ne yer na
That's
wɔnye no akɔbra akɔdɔ anaa dɛm na ɔte
mm.
dza nokwar mmara no fa bi obotum
Obey
ama
you.
ɛkwan dɛ ɔntry dɛm na mbom before ɔbɛyɛ no agye dɛ onya legal advice
That's it.
fully kɔmɛ yɛdze ma wɔ ha no ɔnyɛ enough because nsɛm no koraa yɛhu ne nyinaa but inya
Mm,
full legal advice a yɛbohu baabi a yɛde bɛfa na
mm,
application ne chances of success
mm.
na yɛhu
That's
and how to start the application.
mm. Oh yeah, damn naughty. And in oh yeah, like last week before the start of the program, I explained some of these things there. I like to laugh a lot, but in the case, you know, I am a sure, but sometimes the way it's being presented, make you know who not like me susu there. Practically, day na yet today, yenya being needy, akofo being you know, bisa de sis it's not this the case and yes, but mesa some and sometimes create this kind of humor for us. Near there, ratio will be full, but rather just for you to take some stress out of your system. Inti, thank you, Lawyer Asma, for clarification. Now, Edama and Honon so. Inti, yen share yen Patrick. The question is also, can I start working full time for a new sponsor though visa is not yet out? Mm. Oh,
It depends. It depends because obi oma onye company no yɛ adwuma dada o.
mm,
Company na ama no COS. Na ɔdze
yes.
application no ato mu.
Mm.
Under normal circumstance, so company no, you see, Mrana say, work with the company for 3 months, meboa.
Yeah, yes,
And we
yes.
give you COS,
Mm,
which is a sponsorship. Then
that's
you
it.
can apply because the company will have to prove that you want to use for at least 3 months.
3 months, yes.
And
Mm,
you say, you want to use 3 months.
mm-hmm,
Now we must COS. That's the
mm,
application to Nigeria Jumana.
another day.
Where is the logic?
Yes. Mm. Another
And
MBA na on your part time, but since why application with the new COS now on that betum why you full time with them rather instead of the part time. That could also be.
yeah, that is also there. It too a year application. No, be
Mm-hmm,
so there. Are you already in the COS? When
mm-hmm.
did the work? When did the job start? Me boy.
That okay, yes. Mm,
When did the job start?
mm-hmm,
Yesterday,
mm-hmm.
or let's say last week.
Yes.
In
Or
the
3 months before.
know that out. Now my application. Now this and my should I stop the work or not?
No,
But
no, you
it's
don't.
also possible that they will ask you when will the job start.
Okay.
So when
Mm,
will the job start? You haven't started. One
mm,
more sponsorship, but you haven't started.
that's it.
In
Okay.
that case, you wait for the visa to come. Then you have
Yeah.
sponsorship to start with them.
Okay.
Obi so my
Oh,
company okay, because the visa is not in, we are
mm-hmm.
not authorized to keep you with us. Until wait. This one
Mm,
year wait here. Now start.
mm,
Ideally, say need sponsorship, you can't work for the company.
okay.
Nti the
I have
good
one
government
question.
is the question. Question will be
Mm,
saba. Na
mm,
then aye. But the company, but I guarantee there you can start whilst you are waiting for the visa there. Then they will respond once there is any
Yeah.
issue.
Okay. More one question, based on the topic that we dealt with today. And also, please, I have 3 penalty points on my driving license. That's driving other than according to license. Hey, Mamin, can you please? I have 3 penalties points on my driving license, comma. That's driving other than accordance or according to license. Well, that's what he's written. Can it affect well, for me as why? Can it affect my any visa application I made? I'm currently on a graduate visa.
Okay. People say our driving license.
Mm,
And now oko year and oko drive BB. At the kuduna oka kano, no oya carlo, so ya
mm,
bedu, oko no. Police for this and there. What license now one? It only
mhm.
allows you to drive a certain category of um
Vehicle.
machines
Mm,
or
mm,
vehicles. But
mm,
what we have seen you driving is not
mm,
authorized by
mm.
your license. So that
Okay.
is a driving offense.
Okay.
Driving a
Mhm,
vehicle or a
mm.
machine other than required
Ah,
license.
accordance to the law. Manana
Yeah.
matters. Mm,
And that's an offense. It's a
okay.
driving related offense, although declare.
Right. Today one man motor license. Now they are called drive a car.
Very good.
Okay.
Another one more car, another could drive a van, another
Ah,
could drive a bus.
bus. Okay.
Now, it's a little bus, no, your man can on your company bus. But
But
this
your
license,
license
no,
doesn't.
license is maybe B license or C
Mm,
license. Now
says,
they could drive another one. If you could drive
yes,
another machine, why didn't you go for that license?
bigger one. Mm,
Uh,
okay. Right. Intin upon that, young Shanami more chance if he can explain or give us the summary of what we've dealt with today. Mind your behavior. How does your character affect your UK visa application? It can be in-house or out of the country application. However, there are questions that you need to answer them according to, I mean, very truthful. Now, MBA with JB when JB you wouldn't know how is this going to affect you. Your behavior really counts when it comes to UK visa application. Inten lawyers, ma if you can give us the summary, na yenjina do na yemfan inwi jumedi.
Thank you very much. Viewers and listeners, today we looked at your behavior and how that will affect your UK application. Behavior in terms of your past immigration experience or history, and also past conduct within the community in terms of criminal behavior and civil behavior. Civil behavior, we are looking at driving, we are looking at um, how you get on with people within the community, your antisocial behavior, and your management of debt. Ne nyinaa nti so CCJ which may affect you, or a bankruptcy which may affect you, or then you declare conviction. You have to declare all that. Again, we are looking at if there have been criminal conviction, you have to then disclose that. So be it criminal convictional matters or immigration related matters, your general behavior within the community, you have to declare all that. Failure to declare will affect your application decision because it then borders on your character or conduct. Your past conduct or your past character is important because the caseworker will look at that to decide whether it's still serious enough for it to be considered or it is now not so serious to affect the public good and so should be waived and discretion made in your favor. All these are relevant. The note we are giving you today is that anytime you are making an application, you are not sure about those questions, question about convictions, question about past history, and question about other history, you have to seek immediate legal advice to be able to understand how to respond to those questions. If you are clear, of course, you can go ahead. But remember, whatever you say, whether it is deliberate or not, could be used against you in the application decision assessment. And so let's be mindful. But if you want to understand how the suitability processes work, you can go online and search immigration rules, part suitability policy for caseworkers. You read up on that and you understand whether your particular offense, be it current or past, could be something that you have to be mindful of in that application you are seeking to make.
Yeah. Thank you, Lawyer Charles Asma. Somebody called, but I was explaining there. Ye program no, you've already given your summary. You know, yen next week na on Fambra. Now on for question in bra. Probably tomorrow I'll send it to the community and the law. Now ya man answer. It's here for na for Mesremo ene ahana dwumadie ne ebe wie na ye gidi say ne ede be nyina mo ni aso mo ehu na mo nhwe character no ha adwen, especially monto mo mma no nso fo yɛka na ɛnyɛ yɛn nko a yɛn mma mpo a yɛawo mo kurom ha no nso character no affect ɔmo yie. I say nansi yɛtete wobɛhu a ne agye wo passport your British nationality ne agye firi wo nsɛm abra wonnim o wonnim ebi a wa committee offense bi wayɛ bibi na ecosystem ne mu a na ɔmo atwa ɔmo yi efiri wo so wode wonenam wokita book no wonim sɛ ohu sɔn obetu kwan na wo ba no yɛsi enim wɔ kurom ha ɛyɛ ɛha adwen papapapapapa enti yɛnto yɛn kwala no yɛnto ɔmofo yɛsi ɔmo awiewie school dodoɔ na ma awiewie school no na nam kurom yi obehu a na ɔmo jampo traffic na ɔmo fa ha na ɔmo akɔfa bicycle na ɔmo yɛ soro nko kyɛ sɛ ɔmo ani agye aboro so na sometimes they get carried away. Ọbaako ọkọ train station na ọjampo na ọmụ de ayɛ sirisi kwa na ọmụ nso ọmụ jampo bọ na police ta ọmụ ne ade yɛnto ọmụ fo na ọmụ ntwe ọmụ ho free such behavior sɛ ɛnam sɛ ọmụ future anti no ebetumi affect ọmụ ɛnyɛ visa application ko a na mmom in the system itself enti yɛnto ọmụ fo na yɛn nyinaa nso yɛnto yɛn ho fo yɛnum nsa kakra na ohwɛ na driving no untumi a masa jaka no sika na obefa uba akofie no ebe save you future na obetu si one bottle penance em so mo de ye drama obi akono one bottle a whole you can say community or a mayor, let's put it mayor omo de kire amanfo say this is what is happening tin men dream say you one bottle the moment you blow the thing na a pa I don't know word no kromo friend is saying la chas bo amikakra I don't know omo sana omo blow
Yeah, breathalyzer.
No say a pound one way pair a be affecto definitely into no yenhwe sama eba e foto kakra men so me de bema na yenhwe ya titi na mu ye na character say ye de be refuse visa no e ya na ha adwen ye ha adwen ankasa. If you know what I mean, what mu bi pay a obehu say ha adwen ankasa nti no ne nyina ya hwe ye la cha say beda ase iti for beda mo nyina ase. Next week, same time, same place, a best share. Now, yedi another beautiful topic about Marco. Mediani Magneti, Usham baby, and offer Magnetia. Migi Usua Brow. Have a lovely, lovely weekend and stay blessed. Bye bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.